Therattipal in Tamil. That is, see, the ingredients are condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk 1 can, and then equal measure of cottage cheese, full fat cottage cheese I am using, and then full fat ricotta cheese also. That also equal measure. This is a bigger container, but I am going to use the same amount, whatever it is, say about a cup I guess, and then 1 tablespoon of yogurt. So you have to open this up and then transfer to a microwave dish and then mix thoroughly. I am going to do that, and then I will come back and show you how to prepare it on the microwave. It is very easy. I have transferred all the ingredients to the microwavable 3-quart bowl and then mix it thoroughly. Condensed milk, cottage cheese, and then ricotta cheese, and then a tablespoon of yogurt. And see, the cottage cheese will be a little bit granular. The reason I am using that way, the traditional Therattipal will be, granular. That's why I didn't mash it fully. So what I am going to do, I mix it thoroughly. I am going to cover this dish and then cook it on high power on the inside the microwave for 5 minutes. So cook it on high. So that's what I am going to do. I am going to take it to the microwave and then put it for 5 minutes. So cover and then cook it 5 minutes. I will see you in 5 minutes. Now the 5 minutes are over. I am going to open it up and then stir it down completely. Again, I have to cook. Since it is started cooking, I'm stirring thoroughly. Make sure all, in the sides and everything, mix it. At this point, I'm going to add a teaspoon of molasses. See, traditionally what happened, jaggery is used to make Therattipal. Since we are using condensed milk, which has already sugar added it, to add the color, you have choices. You can add saffron, few strands of it, or traditional way I am using just molasses, 1 spoon. That way it will give you good color, final product. So I mixed in the molasses. And then mix thoroughly, incorporate the molasses in. Then turn around and cook it on high again for 4 minutes this time. Try to maybe mush it, the cottage cheese, if it is too big chunks. That's it. I mixed it, mixing it. I am going to cook it for 4 minutes now. Covered. See, because it will splatter, and also the vessel has to be big enough that why it won't overflow. That's why I'm using 3 quarts. Okay, I'm cooking it for 4 minutes. Now 3 minutes are over, so let us check. What is the content is, see, you have to stir it, cook it, stir it, cook it, stir it like that. So first we did 5 minutes and then 4 minutes. Now we are going to just only cook 3 minutes. Like that, 2 times you can do it. You see, instead of coming back. I am going to cook 3 minutes and then open it up and then stir it down and then cook 3 more minutes. So I will see you in 6 minutes. Cook it covered again. because it will splatter all over. You don't want inside of your microwave all splatter. I'm going to cook it 3 minutes and then one more 3 minutes again. See you. Hello, I have been cooking, 3 minutes. 3 times 3 minutes I cooked altogether. Earlier though, 5 minutes and 4 minutes, and then 3 times 3 minutes. Every time when you take it off to inspect it, stir it thoroughly. I am covering it, always cover it, because it will splatter all over. So it is better to cover it. See, now it is ready. Even if it is a little bit softer, leave it like that. We'll let it come to room temperature and then it will be ready. So just because we don't want to overcook it, let it completely cool and then it will be ready to serve. Okay? So altogether, for the ingredients I have given just less than 2 cups. It is coming. It will be very good. Right now I won't be able to taste it because it is very, very hot. Still it has to rest. So enjoy it. I didn't add any cardamom. Traditionally they won't add cardamom. But I just added you saw I added the small amount of molasses to give the brown tint, because traditionally we will use jaggery. Okay, enjoy it. Hope you like it.